Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video. And this video is about how to sell cryptocurrency. Now there's other exchanges on where you can sell cryptocurrency, but to me, this is the best place that I would recommend for you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency. This is the most popular exchange on the internet, and in the United States it's called Coinbase. But how you would sell it is, okay, first you got to buy it. Now when you buy it through Coinbase, you're going to add a payment method. You click add payment method. You can either add it with your bank account. You can add up to $25,000, and that's going to go to your USD wallet. And when you do that, they're going to hold the order for a couple business days when you do it by bank account. And like I say, you can deposit up to $25,000 in your USD wallet. You can also do it by debit card. You can deposit up to $3,000 in your USD wallet, and it'll be instant. You can also fund your wallet by wire transfer. You can do it that way too. So that's how after you set your account up and log in, that's how you add money into your USD wallet. So let me get out of here. Okay. Now, whenever you deposit it, this is back to the dashboard here. Now this is on the accounts tab. You'll see all your wallets on the accounts tab on the left hand side. Now when you deposit that money, it'll be in your USD wallet, whether you've done it by bank account, debit card, or wire transfer. Now to sell it, okay, say for instance you bought some Bitcoin. Okay, you need to go down here to your Bitcoin wallet. Or did I pass it already? I probably passed it. Yeah, this is your Bitcoin wallet. I figured that was the first one. The Bitcoin wallet is right on the USD wallet. It'll show the amount of Bitcoin that you get right here and the dollar amount of what it's worth. So when you get ready to sell it, you want to go to trade and you want to click the sell tab. Okay, you want to sell, make sure it's on Bitcoin. You want to deposit to US dollars. And then you're going to enter the amount you want to sell. And if you want to sell it all, when you get ready to sell, you'll see a little button. You don't see it right now. It'll say sell all, and it'll enter all of it in there. Then you just click sell. Okay, say for instance, you sold after you hit sell. Okay. Now, that money in US dollars will be in your USD wallet. And then you just click withdraw. And then it's going to show you how do you want to withdraw it. You want to withdraw it to your bank. Now that might take a couple days before you get to the bank. I usually withdraw mine to PayPal. Also, let me know, you can't deposit money into your USD wallet with PayPal. You can only withdraw funds from your USD wallet to PayPal. As you can see, I withdrew funds, all to PayPal. So once you sell your cryptocurrency, it'll be in the USD wallet in dollars. You hit withdraw. You can withdraw it to your bank account. You can withdraw it to PayPal. And I can't remember, it might be some other ways where you can withdraw it to something else. But like I say, as you can see here, I always do PayPal. And that's it. Say for instance, you bought say for instance, you got some money in USD wallet. Okay, but you don't, and just say you want you bought some Litecoin. You don't want to sell your Litecoin to USD dollars. You want to trade your Litecoin to Bitcoin. Come to trade, you go to convert. And then you want to convert your Litecoin to Bitcoin. So from Litecoin, okay, now you want to convert it Litecoin to Bitcoin and put in the amount. And then you want to convert all, you'll see a convert all button. You can't see it right now. And hit convert Litecoin. You click that and you convert your Litecoin to Bitcoin. Okay. Then when you go check your Bitcoin wallet, it'll be in there. Boom. Okay. Let's go back to selling the Bitcoin all over again. You want to say, first of all, this will be what the Bitcoin is and how much money it equates to. Come to trade again. Go to the sale tab. You get the picture. I'm having problems with my mouse. I'm truly sorry about this, but yeah, you get the picture. All you had to do is just replay the video when my mouse was working right. But that's all you got to do. And I guess I'm going to close this video out. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell. That's how you sell cryptocurrency with Coinbase. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Peace.